Want to work from anywhere in the world? Spending more time with your family, just 3 steps separate you from your first profits. Today, I'll show you an effective strategy that can bring you a steady $400 daily. I will break it down from the basics, show you the setting, I will teach you how to find the perfect entry point and then trade live in front of your eyes. Watch this video until the end and in just 10 minutes, your life will change dramatically. Let's get started. Alright, I'm in the pocket option terminal. And now we will add our indicators. We need 2 moving averages and fractals. Okay, they are on the screen. Now let's set up our system for the first MA. We set the period to 50 and change it to EMA. Now let's just adjust the color. I'll set it to white. You can choose another one. I'll also make it a bit thicker for better visibility. Done. Let's move to the second one. For this, we set the period to 200 and also use EMA. Let's make it bolder for clarity. You can choose any color. It's a matter of taste. Now our system is up and running. I'll show you how to use it for trading. First, we look at the crossover of the moving averages. When the white 15-minute MA is above, the asset is rising. This is the upward phase. When the 15-minute MA is below, the chart usually falls. That's the core of 2 MAs. They indicate the direction of movements. Now, we need precise entry points and fractals will help us with that. We draw lines from this triangle and wait for the price to cross them. A breakout in any direction signal a communication of the movement in that direction. This way, we can enter multiple times within a single trend and it works both upward and downward. The MAs tell us the direction of the price moving and the fractals gives us entry signal. It's simple. Now let's test this strategy in real time. The current currency pair will help us do this. I will take a short pause here and if there's no active downward movement, I'll open a long position. In trading, it's important not to rush and always control position at the right time. It's better to play it safe and miss an uncertain opportunity than to take everything that comes your way. Okay, here's a good spot to go long, which I've done. Now, let's analyze the situation. First off, the fractal has been broken upward. Second off, we are currently in an upward phase with white moving average above. Third off, there's an overall upward trend. And the small pullback right now isn't a problem at all. This has happened before, so we are just trading according to strategy. Most of the trade is behind us, guys, and I think it will be closed easily. This is absolutely the usual thing for an informed approach to trading in which you don't understand what you're doing. In this case, many traders would have opened a short position relying on intuition outside the system, and that's exactly why they lose money in the long run. Meanwhile, I'm close to the target, guys. Just a few more seconds and yes, close the first trade of the day. This asset is too boring, so I'll switch to something more suitable. So yeah, we'll enter a rising market again. I'm opening a long position and we now show you everything in detail. This is a very intriguing moment. The price has stopped right at the fractal line. Such a cross-shaped candle often signals a change in direction. And considering the white MA above, we can expect the upward movement to resume. As you can see, we've immediately surged upward. A good start for the trade. Guys, I'm sure that it will be closed easily. I've noticed that doji and other candlestick patterns are rarely discussed on YouTube, as well as other market techniques. If you want to get the access to the exclusive information and my personal signals, I recommend subscribing to my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Meanwhile, I'm about to enter another trade. Yes, another profitable trade. And I plan to stay on this chart for now. Such a positive bullish candle suggests a clear continuation of the upward movement. Let's enter the market right away. I'm sure that another profit is waiting for us here. A quick remark, we've just broken a fractal upward, which further confirms the high chances of continued growth. Now let's watch. Our strategy suggests frequent entries, but it's always worth saying the same assets as long as it provides suitable signals. Personally, I make the most money when I trade the same trade for an extended period. Meanwhile, the situation on the currency pair isn't great. The asset isn't rising and this could turn into a losing trade. No need to worry, guys. All problems are solvable. Meanwhile, a new candle has opened with a gap down, which is even worse than expected. If there's no sharp buyouts, we'll have to offset loss. I'm mentally prepared for this and will now show you how to tackle such challenges. Yes, I'm in the red, so I will immediately double the risk. Once again, let's recap the situation. You're in an upward trend with the white moving average position above. We've got a pause before the upward movement resumes, and the increased risk of $200 should offset the previous loss. The asset is performing as expected. The quoting is rising, and I'm almost certain it will end well. Loss offsetting is a useful tool, guys, but don't overuse it. Try not to risk too much of your deposit, or you could nullify your trading accounts. Start by risking 5 to 10%, no more. It's even better to start with 2 to 3%. Meanwhile, I'm almost closing this position. A few more seconds and yes, another successful trade is finished. Let's switch assets and continue our work. Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue. So here's a good opportunity for a good trade. I'm entering here on the asset rise. I will now show you the points of our analysis. First, we are looking at the trend. It's clearly upward. The white moving average is above, confirming the upward phase. At the same time, we have a fractal that quartering has also crossed. We can expect the altcoin to rise at least to this level. The price might reach it and then reverse into a new pullback. By the way, this pullback will go all the way to the trend line I drew earlier, and from there, a new reversal is entirely possible. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, guys. I've shown you how to prepare for different scenarios, and your own analysis will guide you. Always note such moments that will help you navigate the market's main objectives. Meanwhile, I'm so close to success. Just a few moments and yes, another profitable trade. Friends, let's switch pairs again and open the final trade for today. Well. Here's the moment of clarity. I'm opening a long position here, and now I'll give you the final breakdown for today. We have a fractal that was broken upward by the price, and there was also a recent MA crossover. Now we're in an upward phase, a simple yet reliable entry point. Let's see how it turns out. I think you've already checked out the pros of this strategy. It gives us two tools for successful trading: moving averages for the big scale and fractals as a scalpel for precise entry. By combining these signals, we've moved from the general to the specific, achieving success in the long run. I recommend trying this strategy on your own, but test it personally before starting. Don't jump into trades right away. Conduct a least minimal testing. Meanwhile, I'm closing another profitable trade, guys. The final trade for today is a complete success. Now, let's summarize this video. The key to trading is practice. Everything comes with experience, guys. To succeed in this field, you need to try new things constantly, set goals, and achieve them. I hope you enjoyed this content, and the best way to show your support is to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss out on any video, and it will also promote my work. I'm always happy to get your feedback from you, and let me know what you think about this video and what you'd like to see next. If you want more here and now, join my Telegram channel. Everything you need to start trading is already waiting for you there. You will also find my personal trading signals, which will help you make your first profits. And the best part, there's an exclusive promo code that will give you 50% bonus on your first deposit in Pocket Option. That's all for now. Successful trading, everyone. Bye for now. See you next time.